How to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. To get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, you'll need an app called Roblox Code Generator. So this app generates a special code you can redeem in Nintendo Switch eShop to download Roblox. And I'll guide you step by step on how to download, install and use it. So first of all, if you are on iOS device, you simply want to go ahead and open up your settings application. Once you're inside the settings, scroll below and then simply tap on General. And then simply select Background App Refresh. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Background App Refresh again. And you want to make sure that it is selected to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So this step is crucial because if it's off, the code generator won't work properly and you might encounter crashes. So go ahead and do that. Once it's done, head back to your settings. Now from here, go ahead and tap on battery. And then you want to make sure that the low power mode is toggled off. If it's enabled, it could disrupt background processes and prevent the app from functioning. So once you are done, head back to your home screen and then simply open up your web browser. So in my case, I'm going to be using Safari. So once you open it up, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for itwig.com. So go ahead and do that and it will automatically open this website for you. Now once you are in the home page of the website, scroll below and then you will find Roblox Switch Code Generator. Go ahead and tap onto it and then simply tap on Start Now and simply follow the on-screen instruction. This process will give you a unique code to redeem Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. Now after you have generated your code, go to your Nintendo Switch eShop and then redeem it. Now once redeemed, Roblox will be available for download and installation on your device. It's as simple as that. So that ends the video guys. I hope this tutorial helped you get your Roblox on your Nintendo Switch in 2025. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.